Looking for a fan solution that's compact, energy efficient, and built for extreme conditions? In this RS product spotlight, you'll meet the ebm-papst AxiACi Series, the next generation of axial fans for refrigeration, industrial, and telecom applications. AxiACi is a high-performance axial fan series that is designed to withstand harsh environments. Its exceptionally efficient EC motor also makes it a perfect option for replacing outdated AC fans with a smarter, more efficient solution. Featuring a long service life with maintenance-free operation, a global voltage range, and significant energy savings, the AxiACi Series delivers the flexibility needed for a variety of air movement tasks. Now, what makes the AxiACi Series stand out? Its highly efficient GreenTech EC motor uses up to 83% less power than comparable AC fans, with smooth, low vibration operation. The ultra-quiet design includes optimized blade geometry and guide vanes to reduce turbulence and noise by up to 3 decibels compared to similar products. Compatibility with natural refrigerants ensures safe and reliable operations with exposure to compounds like ammonia, butane, and propane. A wide voltage range that allows for global usage, its extreme durability and broad operating temperatures of -40 to 75 degrees Celsius provide added benefits for unique environments, and its maintenance-free service life of up to 65,000 hours is up to 2 times that of standard AC fans. Standard options include 92mm and 120mm sizes with airflows of up to 103 CFM, and approvals including UL, CSA, CE, EAC, and more. Optional features include IP65 sealing, ATEX certification, and salt spray resistance. The AxiACi series was originally developed for commercial refrigeration equipment, walk-in freezers, and bottle coolers, and its extreme durability and adaptability makes it ideal for cabinet cooling, industrial ventilation, medical technology, and telecommunications as well. With the AxiACi series, you get a robust fan that works reliably in the harshest environments, energy savings paying for itself in months rather than years, quiet operation for noise-sensitive environments, and global flexibility. When you need a fan that's efficient, durable, and ready for the toughest condition, choose the ebm-papst AxiACi series. Want to learn more? Reach out to ebm-papst or our RS Engineering Support Group to assist you. Visit our RS site in the links below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell for more RS product spotlight videos like this. Thanks for watching.